Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to check your RAM speed in Windows 11. Knowing your RAM speed can help you verify whether your memory is running at the correct frequency, troubleshoot performance issues, or confirm that XMP or EXPO is enabled after installing new RAM. So let's get started. First, right click on the start button and select here Task Manager. Once the Task Manager window opens, select the Performance tab from the left pane. On the right, choose Memory. On the right side, you will see detailed information about your installed RAM. Look for the speed field. This shows the current operating speed of your memory in megahertz. For example, 3200 megahertz, 4800 megahertz, or 5600 megahertz. You will also find other useful details such as the total installed memory, the number of memory slots being used, the RAM factor, and the hardware reserved memory. That's it. This is the quickest way to check your RAM speed in Windows 11 without installing any third-party software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.